Rolling with Ruben this morning in the 59 LeSabre 3-speed. Cupcake at the wheel. Funny you come out front, Ruben. First gear, it's got a intoxicating whine like a T10 4-speed. Third gear, good job, Cupcake.
Thank you.
Oh look, a new collector vehicle. What a beauty. Check out the view through that rear window.